So if you are involved in rescue, you rescue animals in any way, I give a lot of love to you. I see a lot of the Paws people here tonight. Thank you for coming out. You guys do so much anyhow already. So I'll keep this short. I want to say thank you to Robin Stone for putting this together, and all of the bands, Breakfast Club, Winslow, Brent Kirby, for giving of their time and energy for rescue and for these animals. The morning that Forrest was rescued was November 25th, 2012. And I'll never forget that morning because I got a call from a very dear friend of mine, Ann Trupo, letting me know that there was a dog chained to a tree right here in Cleveland Heights. And he was bleeding and he was shot and he was in shock. He came into Paws, he got everything that he needed. The mayor of Cleveland Heights, the chief of police here in Cleveland Heights, they did everything that they needed to do to make sure that they brought this guy to justice. And I want to give it up for them. I do, I really do. So, Mr. Forrest, that beautiful, beautiful, majestic Mastiff, we had 71 applications for him. But we were contacted by Miss Robin Stone, who said, you know, I wasn't looking for a dog, but you know, he kind of spoke to me. You know, I said, well, we have 71 applications. She goes, well, you have one more. So, he's with her and her partner, Patty. Give it up for that! Give it up for them! And he has his own Facebook page. He's a very popular gentleman. And I want to say that he has brought all of us together tonight, and all of us to celebrate rescue in totality. Every animal that we have rescued, every animal that we have held, and probably we were the only ones that loved them before they left this world. You all know what I'm talking about. Those that do rescue, you know what I'm talking about. So, thank you for coming. I want to let you know Dick Goddard's Law is coming down the pipe. Give it up for Dick, man. You know, that kind of sounded weird coming out of my mouth, but give it up for Dick Goddard, because those of you that know me. Thank you for that whistle. So, Laura, stop laughing back there. He has lent his name and his legacy to change when it comes to animal cruelty reform. And this man shakes every time he hears about an animal being abused, shot, killed, anything. He shakes, his heart breaks, and he wants change. And I'm going to ask all of you to stand behind Nitro's bill, to stand behind Goddard's Law, and please, please protect these animals. Now, who do we have? Oh, I know who we have coming up here. Mr. Brent Kirby. So, am I introducing him? I guess I am. Hello? Are you introducing? Oh, okay, I'm going to introduce him. I met them backstage. They are fantastic. Mr. Brent Kirby.